I want to talk about what is it we talk so much on FEMA, we talk on RBI, and what is it that RBI is really trying to do. So just to understand which are those transactions that really attract this foreign exchange management law, which is seen as a very draconian, a very sort of procedurally heavy kind of law, and which people typically feel that they don't have a grasp for. So what are these things? When is it that you need to think as to, do I need to look into FEMA to see if this is permissible, to see if there are any restrictions, to see if there are any conditionalities attached, and so on and so forth. So let's look at what these elements are. It's a no-brainer. First of all, FEMA applies wherever there is a non-resident, whether that person is a citizen of India or otherwise. So it's a non-resident Indian or a foreign resident. It applies to all sorts of overseas transactions. So even if you're buying an iPhone from Hong Kong, FEMA applies. Whether or not you can use your credit card, what you can do to purchase the phone, etc. If you're sending money to a relative abroad, FEMA applies. If you are buying a company abroad, definitely FEMA applies. So any and every kind of overseas transactions, whether it is purchase of goods, whether it is purchase of services, we all subscribe to SaaS platforms. All of those are overseas transactions.
Achromic Point.